Looking for the best summer vacation spots in Honolulu? Picture this. You're basking under a warm, golden sun. Your toes are buried in the soft, sandy beach, with the rhythmic sound of the Pacific Ocean waves crashing in the background. Welcome to Honolulu, the vibrant cultural heart of Hawaii. This city is more than just a pretty face. It's a melting pot of diverse cultures, each adding their unique flavor to the island's rich history. Honolulu is home to stunning natural landscapes, historic landmarks, and the unique Hawaiian culture that's been preserved and celebrated over centuries. From the azure waters of Waikiki Beach to the awe-inspiring views from Diamond Head, from the buzzing art district to the solemn history of Pearl Harbor, Honolulu offers a smorgasbord of experiences that you won't find anywhere else. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 must-visit spots in Honolulu. Starting at number 5, we have Honolulu's Art District. This vibrant corner of Honolulu is a thriving hub of creativity. Bursting with color and teeming with artistic expression, the Art District is a veritable treasure trove for art aficionados. In the heart of this district, you'll find galleries showcasing a variety of art forms. From the contemporary and abstract to the traditional and folk, there's a wealth of visual artistry to feast your eyes upon. Each gallery is unique, reflecting the diversity and richness of Hawaii's cultural landscape. But the Art District is more than just galleries. It's a vibrant community of creatives. Boutiques, independent shops, and studios line the streets, offering a myriad of local arts and crafts. Here you can find everything from handcrafted jewelry and pottery to unique clothing designs and intricate woodwork. These local crafts embody the spirit of aloha, making them perfect keepsakes or gifts. The Art District is also home to an exciting monthly event known as First Friday. On the first Friday of every month, the district transforms into an evening of art, food, and entertainment. Galleries and shops stay open late, inviting visitors to explore their collections under the soft glow of the setting sun. Street performers add a dash of spectacle to the evening, their talents as diverse as the art on display. And of course, there's the food. From food trucks serving local favorites to fine dining establishments offering gourmet fare, there's something to satisfy every palate. So, whether you're an avid art enthusiast or simply appreciate the beauty of creative expression, the Art District offers a unique way to immerse yourself in Hawaii's rich cultural tapestry. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of the city, engage with the local community, and experience the vibrant creativity that is the heart and soul of Honolulu. A must-visit spot for art lovers and culture enthusiasts alike. Coming in at number 4, we have the Diamond Head State Monument. This iconic landmark is a must-visit for anyone seeking to experience the true spirit of Hawaii. Diamond Head, or Leahi, as it's known in Hawaiian, is a volcanic tuff cone that has stood as a silent sentinel over the island of Oahu for hundreds of thousands of years. Now let's talk about the hiking trail. The Diamond Head Summit Trail is a journey into the heart of this ancient volcano. The trail winds up the interior of the crater, and though the hike is somewhat challenging, it's absolutely worth every step. As you ascend, you'll pass through a series of switchbacks, tunnels, and even a spiral staircase carved into the side of the mountain. But what makes this trail truly unforgettable is what awaits you at the summit. After your ascent, you'll find yourself standing on the edge of the crater's rim, with a panoramic view of Honolulu and the vast Pacific Ocean stretching out before you. It's a breathtaking sight that you'll remember for a lifetime. The azure blue of the ocean, the vibrant green of the island, and the bustling cityscape of Honolulu create a stunning tableau that encapsulates the beauty and diversity of Hawaii. And the best part? This view isn't just for the early birds. Whether you choose to hike up in the early morning to watch the sunrise, or later in the day to enjoy the clear skies and sunshine, the view from the summit is always spectacular. So don't forget to bring your camera. You wouldn't want to miss capturing this incredible vista. Diamond Head State Monument is more than just a hiking trail or a beautiful view. It's a place where you can connect with nature, challenge yourself, and experience a part of Hawaii's rich geological history. It's a testament to the island's volcanic origins and a symbol of its enduring allure, perfect for adventure seekers and nature lovers. This is a place where you can immerse yourself in the beauty of the island and feel the mana or power of the land beneath your feet. So when you're planning your summer vacation in Honolulu, make sure to put Diamond Head State Monument on your must-visit list. You won't regret it. At number 3, we have the world-famous Waikiki Beach. Nestled on the south shore of Honolulu, Waikiki is more than just a beach. It's a vibrant hub of activity, a tropical playground that offers fun and excitement for everyone. Imagine a stretch of golden sand meeting the azure waters of the Pacific, with the iconic Diamond Head crater as a stunning backdrop. Yeah, that's Waikiki Beach for you. Now let's talk about surfing. Waikiki Beach is the birthplace of modern-day surfing and the perfect place to catch your first wave. The gentle, rolling waves are ideal for beginners, while more seasoned surfers can venture further out for a greater challenge. If you've never surfed before, don't worry. There are plenty of surf schools lining the beach with friendly instructors who'll have you riding waves in no time. But surfing isn't the only water activity you can dive into here. Paddleboarding is another popular choice for those looking to explore the calm, clear waters of Waikiki. It's a fun, relaxing way to soak in the sun, sea, and scenery. When you're done riding the waves or exploring the sea on your paddleboard, it's time to refuel. And what's better than beachside dining? Waikiki Beach offers a smorgasbord of dining options, from gourmet food trucks serving up local delicacies to high-end restaurants offering panoramic ocean views. Whether you're craving fresh seafood, a juicy burger, or a tropical cocktail, you'll find it here. But remember, Waikiki Beach is more than just the sum of its activities. It's a place where you can unwind, soak up the sun, and simply enjoy the beauty of nature. It's where you can build sandcastles, watch the sun set over the Pacific, and maybe even spot a rainbow arching over the Diamond Head. In short, Waikiki Beach is a haven for beach lovers and water sports enthusiasts. It's where the sea meets the city, and where fun and relaxation go hand in hand. An idyllic spot for beach lovers and water sports enthusiasts. Our number 2 spot is the Pearl Harbor National Memorial. This place is not only a significant part of Honolulu's landscape, but it also holds a prominent place in the pages of world history. Pearl Harbor is a powerful symbol of the tragic events of December 7, 1941, a date that continues to live in infamy. As you venture into this solemn space, you'll find a range of exhibits that tell the tale of that fateful day. You'll see personal artifacts, photos, and narratives that bring to life the experiences of those who were there. Through these poignant displays, the Pearl Harbor National Memorial beautifully captures the courage, sacrifice, and resilience of those who served. One of the most moving elements of the memorial is the opportunity to visit the USS Arizona Memorial. This somber monument stands above the sunken battleship, representing the final resting place for many of the ship's crew. A visit here is a profound experience, a moment to reflect on the cost of war and the value of peace. But it's not just about the past. The Pearl Harbor National Memorial also stands as a beacon of hope and reconciliation, a testament to the power of remembrance and the enduring spirit of humanity. In essence, Pearl Harbor is more than just a tourist spot. It's a place of deep reflection, a bridge between the past and the present. A must-visit for history buffs and those looking to pay their respects. And finally, coming in at number 1, we have the Hana Bay Nature Preserve. This natural wonder is more than just your average beach. It's a bay formed within a volcanic cone, a testament to the fiery origins of Hawaii. A visit to Hana Bay is like stepping into a living postcard, with its turquoise waters, white sands, and lush greenery. But what truly sets Hana Bay apart is its abundant marine life. The bay is home to over 400 species of fish and a good number of green sea turtles, offering an unparalleled opportunity for snorkeling. Imagine floating on the surface of the crystal-clear water, watching as a vibrant world unfolds beneath you. From the striped convict tang to the bright yellow tang, the bay is teeming with a rainbow of aquatic life. So, whether you're an avid snorkeler or just a nature enthusiast, Hana Bay Nature Preserve is a must-visit. A paradise for nature lovers and snorkeling enthusiasts. And there you have it, the top 5 summer vacation spots in Honolulu. From the vibrant art district to the magnificent Diamond Head State Monument, the lively Waikiki Beach to the historic Pearl Harbor National Memorial, and finally, the breathtaking Hana Bay Nature Preserve. I hope this list helps you plan your perfect summer getaway. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel guides. Aloha and see you in the next video.